Official passage number 6, speed 80, recorded by Sir Iftikhar Ahmed. Start. I am directed to say that the government has issued instructions about the retirement of government servants at the age of 55 years under Article 178 of the Constitution in its letter dated the 7th May 1966, within bracket copy enclosed, full stop. In paragraph 18, it was stated that necessary instructions in regard to the grant of leave preparatory to retirement is provided in clause 6 of article 178 of the Constitution, will be issued subsequently, full stop. The Finance Department have already issued instructions on the lines of the circular issued by the central government in their letter dated the 10th May 1966, full stop para. In accordance with this the government servants who have already completed the 55th year of their age or will complete it by the 30th of September 1966 have to be applied for leave preparatory to retirement not later than 31st July 1966, full stop. They will be granted full leave preparatory to retirement or such lesser amount as applied for which would have been admissible to them if the age of retirement had not been fixed at 55 but had been the age they would attain when the leave expires, full stop. It would be necessary to pass orders about these applications immediately so that government servants who have not to be retained or not continued beyond the period for which their services are needed, full stop. I am to request that special arrangement may be made to calculate leave preparatory to retirement in all such cases, and the report should be sent to the appointing authorities within a week from the date the reference is received by your office, full stop para. A sizable number of persons will retire on the 1st of October 1966, full stop. Necessary particulars of these persons will be furnished by the appointing authorities as soon as a decision has been taken, full stop. It would be necessary to expedite the pension cases, full stop. I am to request that adequate arrangement may be made to prepare pension audit verification reports within a fortnight from the date a reference is received by your office,